Most beginners quit crochet not because it's hard, but because they start with the wrong designs. They try things that look beautiful online, get stuck halfway, feel frustrated, and never finish a single piece. And the worst part? Nobody tells you what you should actually start with. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which easy and beautiful designs beginners should make, and why they always turn out better than the fancy ones. Crochet doesn't have to be confusing. It doesn't have to feel stressful. And it definitely doesn't have to feel like you're doing everything wrong. In this video, I'm breaking down simple, beautiful crochet designs that beginners can make without fear. Designs that look good, feel useful, and actually make you proud when you're done. If you're just starting out, or if you've tried before and felt stuck, this video is for you. Here's the honest problem most beginners face. They see perfect crochet pieces online, smooth fabric, clean shapes, beautiful outfits and home items, and they think, if I follow this pattern, I'll get the same result. But what they don't see is how much experience goes into those designs. So beginners end up choosing projects that are too complex, too many stitches, too many shape changes, too many rules. That's when mistakes pile up. Edges curl, sizes come out wrong, the fabric feels stiff or uneven, and suddenly something that was meant to feel relaxing turns into stress. Many people stop right there. They think crochet isn't for them. But the truth is simple. They didn't fail. They just started in the wrong place. Let's talk about what actually works for beginners. The best beginner designs are not about showing skill, they're about building confidence. Simple designs teach your hands what to do. They help your eyes understand tension. They help your mind relax into the rhythm. And when something turns out beautiful with less effort, you want to keep going. That's the secret. Simple designs often look more beautiful than complex ones. That might sound strange, but it's true. When a design is simple, the fabric stays clean, the shape stays clear, and small mistakes are harder to notice. When you repeat the same stitch again and again, the fabric becomes smooth and balanced. That's why many fashion pieces rely on simple textures instead of busy patterns. For beginners, this is a gift. You don't need to memorize a lot. You don't need to stop every minute to check instructions. You can relax and let your hands learn naturally. And the result is a piece that looks calm, neat, and wearable. When it comes to fashion, people often imagine complicated designs. But beginner-friendly fashion is actually very simple. The key is shape, fabric feel, and flow. Straight shapes work best. Soft yarn works best, and simple structure always wins. Think about pieces that sit naturally on the body without needing shaping. Light wraps that fall over the shoulders, easy tops made from flat pieces, loose layers that don't need perfect sizing. These designs don't fight the body, they move with it. That's why beginners succeed with them. Flat pieces are one of the best ways to start. They teach control. You learn how to keep your edges straight, you learn how to keep your rows even, you learn how to fix small mistakes without panic. Flat designs are forgiving. If the size is slightly off, it still works. If the tension changes a bit, it still looks good. Another thing beginners don't hear enough is this: the yarn you choose matters more than the stitch. A soft yarn can make even the simplest design look beautiful. A stiff yarn can make a good design feel uncomfortable. Soft, smooth yarn helps your hands move easily. It hides small tension mistakes. It creates fabric that feels good on the skin. And when your fabric feels nice, you feel proud of your work. There's something special about wearing or using something you made yourself. It doesn't feel rushed. It doesn't feel cold or factory-made. It feels personal. Handmade fabric has a warmth that machine-made pieces don't. You can feel the time in it, the care, the patience. Even simple designs carry meaning when they're handmade. If your edges aren't perfect, that's normal. If your fabric isn't straight at first, that's normal. If your tension changes, that's normal. These are not failures. They are signs that your hands are learning. Every experienced maker went through this stage. The difference is they kept going, and they chose designs that didn't punish them for learning. Easy designs teach without pressure.